guess what? You live in a multiverse, and your consciousness and intention is capable of putting you into the timelines that you actually want to be in. Sound crazy? There has never been one timeline. There are so many timelines, and if you even look up the Mandela effect, there's so many people out there that have memories of one reality, which they came from, but now completely different in this reality. Are millions of people all delusional and crazy? No, they're not. We're shifting timelines all the time. But what I really want to cover in this video is this one concept. Whatever you really have as your intention for what you want to experience in your reality, as long as you have that clear intention and you put energy towards it, whether that's writing a book or if you're trying to manifest a career, reaching out to people who may help you with that, meditating on it, whatever it is energetically you're doing to manifest that, if it's truly in alignment with your plan, right, and you're excited about it and you're putting energy in towards making it happen, it will happen, because the being that is making it happen is you, our higher self, where you want to call it universal consciousness, source energy, 1,000,001 words, but it's all us. We are all one.